Hello everyone, I am Wicca BluMoon, and today we are going to be talking about sigil tips. Specifically, we're going to be doing what letters can double up for other letters. So I'm going to post my video on how to do sigils right now, and if you don't know how to make them, they're quite easy to make, and follow that video and then come back to this one. You'll learn a lot more tricks in what letters can double up for that. So if you know how to make a sigil, this is going to be the based on the regular alphabet. So my favorite one is probably going to be the W. So a W, and there's a reason why I have it curved, because if you put the W sideways, what do you see? Draw a line there, you got yourself a B. And then if you have, you can also do this way. Draw a line right there, and you got yourself an E. See if I can do it this way. Here we go. See it a little bit better that way. And then also with the W this way, one loop can become a C. So if you have a C, E, B, W, and also if you flip the W upside down, you get an M. So with this process, you can create, with a W, you can create, it will double as 5 other letters. And then going on that, so the letter T, if you flip it upside down, or look at it upside down, I'm just blowing it up here for proportion, the letter that can double up is your L. So if you have an L or T, or both of them in your sigil set, you don't have to make another letter, make it more, let's say, obtuse, not as appealing. This way you can really limit the number of letters you put into your sigil design. And then also with, we have an E. If you delete this, it can double as an F. If you so your E can be a F. Do it this way, that way you guys can see it a little bit better. It can be a F. Your E can be a L as well. So out of an E, if you have F or L, or even, I might find this, let's do green here. If I were to bring this down a little bit more, if you look at it sideways this way, this becomes a T. I'll let you look at it here for a second, and then I'll erase this. Alright. Another letter that I like working with is an O. Now your O, I'll make another one about the same size, can also contain your C, your O, if you put a line into it, you can also do it as a G, a C, or even with the O, if you have an S, you can use the top half and bring it around for an S. So your O can be part of your S, a C, or it could be a G as well. And the last one I'm going to show you is your A. Now your A upside down is going to be your V. Sure, you don't use V's a whole lot, but you can use it as your letter V. Or if you don't like to have your W's as rounded edges like this and you went with the more straight, your A could be a continuation of a W. Same thing with the W, you can make it into an M if you want it the straight edges. But you can't do the letter E, B, that kind of stuff with it. So you can do your A would be there. Your A would be there. Alright. Now, for sigils, if you inscribe pre-existing symbols into it, that would be fantastic. So if you have an O and a C, what you can do there's your O and your C. It's sideways, but you can create the horned god symbol from O and a C. And if you had an O and an A, you can do do that. And then if you had an E, so that way you can get your earth sign. You can also do your occult pyramid, triangle. So there's a lot of symbols you can create that are already out there. Experiment, see what works good for you, and have fun. That's the most important part, is to have fun. You don't have to be so articulate, so precise on stuff. Try different ways on laying out the letters. That way you don't get the same pattern over and over and over again. So look up, see what sigils are already pre-made, kind of see what they did, and kind of mimic it somewhat into creating new designs. Let that be your inspiration on doing that. So hopefully this has helped you. Let me know in the comments below, and thank you for watching.